Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're doing some automotive work and you are looking for some battery terminal rings, then I want to show you this set that we picked up from OURU. And this is an awesome little set because you get 56 pieces of a variety size copper wire lugs. And so no matter what project you are working on, you've got a size that is going to work for you. So these are really nice. They are made of a very thick quality copper, so they're going to have high conductivity and they're also corrosion resistant. And we found that it was really easy to apply these to the battery cable using a hydraulic crimp. They can also be welded, and these can be used with solid or stranded cables. So there's lots of options, tons of variety that you can use these for, and they're definitely a nice high quality set. And I also appreciate that it comes in this case, so it keeps it really organized. You can have all the different sizes in their own little compartment, and it keeps it really nice and neat. And so that just makes it really easy as well for storage or also for transport. So you can just pop this little case wherever you'd like and you're all set and organized. So if you're looking for some copper ring terminals for battery cables, I would definitely recommend this set. We've been really pleased with it and definitely think it's a high quality kit, and that is my point of view.